The next strata doc I'd like to introduce you to is insurance. So insurance, there is a date to be checked. And here, policy period, we want to make sure that at the time we're reviewing that document, that it's the accurate insurance certificate. And then what we want to do is to look at the water damage, because this is going to have a big impact when you are going to buy your owner's insurance. What your insurance will actually do, they will go and look at this certificate to determine how expensive or even feasible it is to insure this property for you. So first of all, make sure that we have the insurance certificate, then that it is the current period, and then the water damage. In this case, water damage is being 25,000, which is very good. The lower, the better. When it gets too much, it can be a problem to insure the property. It can be very costly. So when does it become too much? I would say above 150,000. Then it becomes a matter to look into. Then we move on to the next strata doc.